All right, sunny, 75. We got a massive snowstorm last night. Well, not a massive one, but she was snowing like a gorilla. It was just coming down. It was 12 degrees. We were in shorts, t-shirt the other day, and then all of a sudden, freak snowstorm in the face. Justin, you're looking magical as always.
Can't see me.
He had his last day of work today.
Monday.
It's pretty exciting, eh?
I decided to start the week with my last day.
Justin's starting a new chapter in his life. It's called He Don't Give a Care Anymore.
I don't give a care.
He never really gave a care, but now there's less cares to even give.
IDAC. I don't give a care.
Anyways, we just did a video with these ramps. These things are sweet for loading sleds. Apparently they work for quads too, but I don't have a quad here yet. But I got a Snapchat. The quad is up and running. I'll let you guys know what it was, what the issue was. Once I get it back, I think I'm going to pick it up next week sometime when I have time. But I'm excited. We're going to do some quad videos. We're going to try and do lots of mudding videos since March is mudding season with all the rainy mud and butt and all that crap and, you know, all the, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. All the snow thaws out and we got lots of mud. So anyways, since we do have a little snow, we figured we'd go down the river, do a little skip since the sun is actually still shining down there. And Justin has actually never skipped with me. And I didn't even ask him, he volunteered, he wanted to.
Yeah, I want to do everything.
Yeah.
I gotta speak up more. I'm like, no, we're jumping the Ford. And then we'll jump
Look
the
at your
Ford.
hair. Hey, look at that flow going. Is that held up by grease?
Huh?
Grease lightning? You gotta zoom on this. Like,
Is it good? Does it
yeah, I
make my
can zoom
hair
right
look...
into your follicles.
Huh.
Yeah, makes it
Hair
look
fall.
more beautiful.
Did you know your hair is actually hollow on the inside?
No.
Like,
Did you know drive shafts are hollow on the inside?
Yeah.
I thought they were solid.
Yeah.
This whole time.
Yeah, they're solid. Did you twist one in half?
Yeah, everyone's like, oh, twist a drive shaft. I'm like, you can't twist a drive shaft, they're solid.
You can twist it.
I'm pretty sure we twisted a drive shaft. Jason's razor there, the Polaris razor, he somehow bent the drive shaft when we were ripping through the snow there. So I don't know how we did it, but we did it. Anyways, where's the snowmobile?
I sent it down the hill.
We just had it here. Like,
I sent it down the hill.
oh, you sent it down the hill already to warm up? Okay,
You gotta roll start it, and then that's all I got.
that's all you got.
Just roll start it.
All right, well, let's get some helmets on. We'll hook up the whiz mount and we'll go for a little skip. Let's grab some rags too so no water gets... I never know what you're doing. Don't touch those, they're dangerous.
They're very dangerous.
All right, let's roll. She's just flowing today. What happened here? It looks like a big chunk of dirt just disappeared. Like behind you. Hey, look. Look at all that gravel.
That's crazy.
That's weird. I've never seen that.
Maybe you're on a gravel hotspot.
Oh, that's bad.
Motocross
All the
arena.
dirt's been washed away too. There's so many rocks here. Sucky. Oh well, let's fire up the sled, go for a skip. Justin's first skip. Hopefully we don't sink. I love your goggle placement. That's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's good.
She's good?
She's good.
I can't tell if you're serious or not.
I'm never serious. Let's roll. All right, first skip complete. How you feeling? You gotta adjust those goggles. They're driving me nuts here.
I can't see it. I just threw them on.
The backs are like, the strap is way down.
Oh, look at that. There we go.
Is that the first time you skipped water?
Huh?
Is that the first time you skipped water?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's neat, eh?
Yes.
Interesting.
It's different. Like, it doesn't feel a whole lot different than powder, but...
It's a really weird feeling. The first time you do it, it's actually awesome, because, like, before you do it, you're like, I could really sink and be cold, and this would be crappy. But then you go on water, and it's like, oh, okay.
It's water.
It's like powder.
Yeah.
It just kind of skims the top. So, anyways, I'm going to drop you off here, and then I'm going to do a few passes. And I might as well take the whiz mount, eh? You want to give people the whiz mount here, or show us the whiz mount?
Yeah.
Give us a 360 here.
I gotta take these off here.
You gonna give us a 360?
360. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
So this is the backpack thing we use. I'm pretty sure they still make them, but I'm not too sure. Here's the website if you want to check it out. But yeah, that's the angle.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So let's roll.
Way over there. River's fairly calm today, but bit of a rough get off there. Windy down here.
How'd that look?
Look good.
I can't feel my fingers.
I know.
I was like, I wonder if I can just carve the whole cove, and then I'm like, what if there's a rock that I can't see? I wonder what would happen.
There's definitely a couple rocks in there.
Yeah. Usually you can see the ripples, like, you can kind of see over there the ripples. Well, you can see rocks right there.
Yeah.
So I try to avoid those areas, but other than that, this thing loves to skip. I said that last time though, and then I sunk it. So that was my fault. I hit one of these holes in the side, and I went, yeah. So, anyways,
that's
how are your
sick.
fingers feeling?
They're cold.
They're cold?
I'm liking the new iPhone 10 here for filming.
Yeah. I know. Me and you both have iPhone 10s now.
I know.
I just like the zoom on it. The zoom's so good, so I just feel like it's more crispy. I still film in 1080, but I feel like it's a nice crispier, better picture 1080. So
crispier like snow?
Yeah, I could film in 4K, but that just takes up so much room, and I feel like no one would watch in 4K anyway.
Yeah.
Anyway, should we head up to the house before we come up with even worse ideas and sink the sled?
I don't know, the worst idea is kind of enticing, but I hear ya.
I know it's kind of... I would keep going though, but the light is getting low, and it was kind of hard to see coming off there. So that's why I pulled off early. I'm like, no, I was gonna go to the bridge, and I'm like, no, I'm just gonna shut it down.
Yeah.
Shut it down. So, all right, let's head back up to the house.